Hey guys, it's me Sizzles, and today we're gonna have three special guests, but we will tell you later because sorry, this is just a blooper, so don't judge. Anyway, today am I making these bloopers or whatever? Because I'm making a new video, but it's not bloopers. We're just telling you who's the characters. Yeah, and I'm with my friend over here. So anyway, let's just get started on the characters. We are making a special video, but we're not gonna tell you either. So let us show the characters. So yeah. So the first one is of course Sizzles, because Sizzles is always acting. Not always lah,
Sometimes.
But yeah, sometimes. But this is like a special video, so of course Sizzles must be in it. So yeah.
So it's me, Sarah.
Scara. Yeah, and Sizzles is the big sister. Sizzles is the small sister of Scara. So this is Scara.
Yeah, we were sisters.
Yeah, so yeah. Next one is Penny Ling. We don't have any other names, but we're just gonna call her Penny Ling
because that's her original name.
Yeah, so that's Penny Ling, and she will be acting like the weirdest girl.
Yeah, she cries.
Weirdest
She cries in the
panda. Yeah, panda. Weirdest panda. I said weirdest grandpa. Okay, let's just go. Next one is Laura. Anyway, yeah. The next one is Laura, and if you want to know where we got this girl, yeah, whatever. We got whatever.
We plugged it from the iPhone kind of thing, you know?
Yeah,
like
you know
when you plug it in.
Yeah, when you
You plug it in the phone and then
the ear plugs where you can
where you plug it.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, because
and she comes with a really cute little circuit.
Yes.
And tell in the comments below. We're not sure whether it's Cocker Spaniel or Cocker Spaniel.
It is a Cocker Spaniel.
Yeah, but just tell in the comments below. Okay?
Yeah, guys, please help me. I'm really confused because my friend gave it to me and she said it's a Cocker Spaniel. I'm still confused. Please help.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's only the special guest, and come on sis, you want to say?
So anyways, there is one more special guest, but we won't tell you until the video comes out.
So we will make the video like today, so
yeah, please help us like and
subscribe to our channel.
Oh yeah,
thumbs up. And this is our furniture. Sorry for the background, and
the door is open.
creepy. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Peace on the street. Let's do it together. Let's say peace on the street, son. When you say son, we block the stream black. Peace on the street.